We stand at the precipice of a computing revolution. At the heart lie qubits, existing in superposition like a spinning globe. Entanglement allows qubits to perform calculations exponentially faster than classical computers. Quantum computers have a quantum data plane, control and measurement plane, and control processor plane. In finance, quantum computers could optimize portfolios and detect fraud with unprecedented accuracy. In chemistry, they could simulate complex molecular interactions, accelerating drug discovery. In logistics, quantum computers could solve routing problems that would take classical computers billions of years. Quantum computers could simulate the behavior of nature itself, unlocking new frontiers in science. They could also advance machine learning, enabling more powerful AI systems. Yet quantum computing is still an emerging field, with researchers working to overcome challenges. But the potential is staggering, a future where we can tackle problems once thought impossible. Let us embrace the curiosity and wonder that have driven human progress throughout history. For in the realm of quantum computing, the boundaries of what is possible are being rewritten.